We look over at our primary y-axis and we see we have annual oil discoveries minus annual consumption in billions of barrels. So the question stem asked us to look at the relationship between discoveries and consumption. Okay, but now what we're actually looking at as the variable on the visualization is a difference between discoveries and consumption. So this is a delta variable. This is a constructed variable where we have taken two variables, the amount of discoveries per year and the amount of consumption per year, and we have created a new variable. This, by the way, is a very helpful thing to get our students doing and practicing as they're working with data, because we do this a lot. We collect information, but that's in its individual pieces isn't actually what we want to look at. It's the combination of the two. And so through different algorithms, aka subtraction, multiplication, different things like that, addition, we often combine two variables of data together to get the one that we're actually interested in looking at. Okay, so first off, that's a difference between what's in the question stem and what's on the graph. Secondly, there is that need for our students to understand that this is a constructed variable, that two pieces of information have come together for this variable creation, this annual oil discoveries minus annual consumption that we have on our primary y-axis. Secondly, we need our students to be able to understand that if it is one minus the other, therefore it is sort of the difference of it, that a zero line where the value equals zero does not mean that there were no discoveries or that there was no consumption, but instead it means that the amount of discoveries and the amount of consumption was equal to one another in that given year. Now, there are no actual years where that was the case, but that's a really key component of understanding what these bars indicate.